The unity of God. The living God is a covenant-giving being. He had a covenant with Abraham, and he had a covenant with the people of Israel, and a covenant with David. These covenants usually involve specific obligations and promises from both sides. For example, as long as the Israelites obeyed God's commandments handed over to Moses, they remained one with God.
What is the meaning of these covenants, and are they so important to God?
God is the bringer of light. In the beginning, he commanded the heavens and the earth to bring light, and this happened. This is because in darkness everything was separated. Darkness harbors division, and God's Spirit brings unity. Whenever God decides to be in covenant with you, that means God is sharing a part of this united light with you. We know that the angels in heaven are also made of light, which makes them one with the Most High. The harmony in heaven is an effect of the light of God Almighty. Lucifer, the morning star, tried to dispute this harmony by grooming darkness, and this caused the Spirit of God to leave him, subjecting him to eternal condemnation. This also occurred when the people of Israel went ahead to worship Baal, and all their neighbors in Canaan, supposed by them, began to conquer them. Marriage is an imperative signifier of God's covenant. A marriage under God means a man and woman coming together to be one under God's law. As long as these two remain in the light of God, they remain in unity, and if not, they become separated both on earth and in heaven. We should strive to keep God's covenant and listen to the voice of God, to remain under God's divine and harmonious light.